A white cat and her kitten enjoyed a stroll in the city. From the forest, a green monster cat watched, planning destruction. The monster cat attacked the city and destroying city. Police and helicopters tried to stop it but failed. Residents fled to the forest, crying as they watched their homes being destroyed. The white cat saw the news and drank a yellow power liquid, turning into a yellow giant. Yellow Cat fought the green monster cat and defeated it after a fierce battle. The city was saved, and the residents returned to rebuild. The white cat, now a hero, restored peace and happiness to their home.